And today we have a birdhouse. That's right. Not much to see on the box, so we're going to open it up, pull it out, put it together, and then go set it up and see how nice it is. Let's check it out. Now, bird feeders are great for your gardens. My wife actually has one right outside her office window, so while she's working during the day, she can take a moment to just gaze at nature's beauty. And here it is. Assembly complete. How cool is that? Now this, I wasn't aware, but it comes fully assembled and ready to go. It's got a nice green roof on it. It has a green base as well. It's got a stainless steel cable for hanging, which is very nice. Looks like to fill it, you just simply flip it open. So how cool is that? Oh wait, check it out. There is a little bit of assembly. So you open the roof and you click it into place. How smart is that? And now we can fill it with birdseed and hang it up. Very nice. A pop-up bird feeder. And the latch on the top, you don't just rip it open, it's actually a push latch. You push it and you can lift it, and then you push it to lock it back down. So very cool. And also this bird feeder has a hexagonal roof, and the way this is designed is when it's raining, the water will run off and not get into the troughs and get the bird feed wet and cause it to mold. It's super lightweight, and this cable runs through the entire body all the way through the bottom. So you're not just putting all the weight on the lid, it's actually supported all the way through, which is very cool. So what we're going to do now is we're going to fill this up with some bird seed. We're going to hang it up and we're going to see how well it does. And we're hoping that it rains because I want to demonstrate to you how the bird seed stays dry as it's raining. Let's do it. Alright, so the rain's coming down pretty good now. You can see how the bird seed containers are actually staying dry. And what that's going to do for you is that, of course, is going to keep your bird seed dry and prevent it from molding and rotting and getting nasty, which is a very nice design feature. Because you don't want to spend all that money to feed the birds and then have the possibility of one rainstorm and you lose your total investment. So the bird's food is going to stay dry and mold free in this little birdhouse. How cool is that?